Hare Krishna. In devotional service, Srila Prahlad Maharaj, in 7th canto Srimad Bhagavatam chapter 5, he gives us 9 limbs of devotional service. Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnoha, Smaranam Pada Sevanam, Archanam Vandanam Dasyam, Sakhyam Atmanivedanam. The first two, Shravanam, Kirtanam. I'm sure all of us might have heard many times that we should do proper Shravanam, proper Shravanam. And all the devotees were practicing from quite some time, I'm sure. All of you, and all of us, we are filling our sadhana report. Sadhana report consists of how many rounds you have chanted, and then how many minutes we have heard the lectures of senior devotees, Srila Prabhupada. And then along with that, the book reading that we have done, how many minutes have we done that? So that we fill that. So when we're hearing some lecture, some class on Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, so we say, okay, 20 minutes, I heard today 20 minutes of Bhagavad Gita class. Oh, 30 minutes of Bhagavatam class I've heard. And then we send it to our mentor. You know what? One thing. Shravanam means hearing the glories of the Lord. Hearing the glories of what? Or hearing what? Hearing the glories of various aspects of the Lord. And what are the different aspects of the Lord? Name, form, qualities, pastimes, and his abode. And obviously his devotees. So we hear about his form from Bhagavatam. We hear about his qualities. We hear about his various pastimes. We hear about his devotees. We hear about his abode. So we hear all these descriptions, from Srimad Bhagavatam, from Bhagavad Gita. But one thing, that is about the name. Hearing Lord's name. This also happens while reading and hearing Srimad Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita. But then, this happens exclusively when we are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So when we are doing japa, one thing is there, that when we are chanting the holy names on the beats, we are doing kirtanam, no doubt. But along with that, we are expected to do shravanam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So when we are chanting, but along with that, we are expected to hear. So now just imagine, if we fill that sadhana report, shravanam. So shravanam, along with this 20 minutes, 30 minutes or 1 hour of hearing from Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, we should write plus how many minutes out of 2 hours have we heard the Hare Krishna Mahamantra? How was our shravanam? Therefore, when we say we have to chant 108 times Hare Krishna Mahamantra, 16 rounds, what does that mean? Along with kirtanam, along with chanting, we are supposed to hear it very attentively. So this is expected. This is what is the sadhana that we are supposed to do. Sadhana means the same activity, we do it again and again and again. This is abhyasa that Krishna is talking about in Bhagavad Gita. So when you do this abhyasa very nicely, we'll advance in devotional service. The way it is mentioned in Shastra, that how we'll advance, all those steps we'll be able to see in our day-to-day life when we are chanting very nicely. So today's japa motivation is, when I'm chanting, let me hear attentively. This is sadhana that I'm doing. Shravanam, this is what I'm doing. And Shravanam has all the power to change our heart. So let me do Shravanam very properly, very nicely. When I do this Shravanam properly, a lot of advancement will happen in spiritual life. This Shravanam will modify a lot of things in our existence. A lot of things. And this will help us to advance in Krishna consciousness very fast. The only thing that we miss out is, we chant, but then somehow because of mind getting distracted here and there, Shravanam doesn't happen. So let's chant properly, clearly, and hear attentively. Let this be the japa motivation for today. Let's try our best. It will not be easy for sure. But by praying to the Guru Parampara, by praying to Krishna, let's try our best that when we are chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, let each Hare Krishna and Ram enter our ear. And let's do this as a nice sadhana. And we should be able to put in our sadhana report 1 hour of hearing, reading Bhagavad Gita Bhagavatam plus 2 hours of hearing Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.